Unleash your inner chef with these amazing cooking classes near you. Ever dreamed of mastering the art of cooking? Well, cooking classes are the perfect way to start your culinary journey. They offer a fun, interactive environment to learn new techniques, discover the secrets of different cuisines, and build confidence in the kitchen. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned home cook looking to refine your skills, there's a cooking class out there just for you. So, are you ready to dive into the world of culinary arts? Let's explore some of the best cooking classes near you. Choosing a cooking class can be as complex as selecting a fine wine. Let's make it easier for you. Now imagine you're standing at the entrance of a vast supermarket of cooking classes. Each aisle is lined with different classes, beckoning you with their unique flavors and aromas. On your left, you have classes that are cost-efficient, perfect for those who want to learn without burning a hole in their pocket. These classes typically run for a few hours, and while they may not delve deep into the intricacies of a particular cuisine, they certainly offer a solid foundation for beginners. On your right, you'll find more intensive classes. These might be a bit pricier, but they offer a more comprehensive culinary journey, often spanning several weeks. Here, you'll not only learn to prepare dishes, but also understand the history and culture behind the cuisine. It's like a mini vacation, transporting you to a different part of the world, all within your kitchen. Now let's stroll down the middle aisle. Here lie the specialty classes that focus on specific cuisines. From the rich flavors of Italian pasta to the delicate art of Japanese sushi, these classes cater to those with a particular taste. They might demand a higher level of skill, but the end result is worth the effort. As you wander through this supermarket of classes, you'll notice that each one uses a different range of ingredients. Some might focus on locally sourced produce, promoting sustainability, while others might introduce you to exotic ingredients from foreign lands. The choice, as they say, is yours. But remember, it's not just about the price, duration, or even the cuisine. It's about the overall experience. Does the class offer hands-on training? Is the instructor passionate and engaging? Does the class size allow for personal attention? These are the questions that will help you choose the best class for you. Remember, the best cooking class is the one that fits your budget, matches your skill level, and satisfies your taste buds. Cooking classes are not just about learning recipes. They're about exploring different cultures through their cuisine. Let's embark on a culinary journey around the world, right from the comfort of your own kitchen. First stop, Italy, the land of delectable pasta and heavenly pizzas. Italian cooking classes offer a deep dive into the art of making fresh pasta, the secrets of a sumptuous marinara sauce, and the perfect blend of cheese and toppings on your pizza. It's not just food, it's a love affair with flavors. Next, we journey to France, where food is an integral part of their joie de vivre. French cuisine classes teach you the delicate balance of butter, cream, and wine that makes their dishes so indulgent. From mastering the art of making croissants to creating a rich bœuf bourguignon, these classes are all about finesse and elegance. We then turn eastwards to Japan, where simplicity and respect for ingredients rule the kitchen. Japanese cooking classes reveal the intricacies of sushi rolling, the soothing process of making miso soup, and the delightful crunch of tempura. It's a cuisine that beautifully marries flavor and aesthetics. Our final destination is India, with its rich tapestry of spices and diverse flavors. Indian cooking classes unravel the mystery behind the perfect curry, the fluffy naan bread, and the irresistible biryani. It's a whirlwind of flavors that dance on your palate. So, whether you're a fan of spicy Indian curries or delicate French pastries, there's a cooking class out there for you. Ready to put on your apron and start cooking? There's a whole world of flavors waiting for you to explore. The cooking classes we've discussed are not just about learning recipes. They're about immersing yourself in a diverse culinary experience. You'll get to master new techniques, gain confidence in the kitchen, and discover dishes from different cultures. Imagine being able to recreate your favorite restaurant dishes at home, or impress your loved ones with your cooking skills. Not to mention, it's a wonderful way to meet like-minded food enthusiasts and share your passion for food. Plus, it's a fantastic opportunity to support local chefs and culinary schools. So why not give it a try? Whether you're a novice looking to learn the basics or an experienced cook wanting to expand your repertoire, there's a class out there for you. Remember, cooking should be fun, and there's no better way to enjoy it than by learning and growing. Don't wait any longer. Sign up for a cooking class today.